Welcome to this Clean Multiplayer Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change the environment of your game so that you can customize it and make it, your own experience. So in this video, I'll use an asset. It is going to be this one, the simple low poly nature pack. It's quite beautiful and it's free. So all you gotta do is import the environment which you'd like to use, or make it yourself using prefabs, or if you want to go the step above, do it yourself, the models. But once you've got your environment, and in this case we'll open the scenes and the demo day. So let's say that this is your environment and you wish this to be the place where your players move around, where they interact. I'll show you how to make it. So first of all, we have to remove the cameras from this environment scene. In this one we've got the main camera, so let's remove that. And now the only thing left is that if you go to your build settings from file, you'll see scenes in build. And what this asset does is that if you see here, we've got environment 1 and environment 2. These are the ones which come in stock with the template. And all you have to do to change them is place your new scene that you would like to use at their place. So if you see the number, before environment 1 was 2. Now when we put our new environment, it becomes 2. That's the important key. You have to make sure that the number, which is the index of this scene, stays the same as the environments which come as stock. So we can remove them. And if we'd like, to have the demo day and then the demo night, which we have to remove the camera from, we can have them both put in here. And as you know, in the game scene there is a switch scene because this asset features scene synchronization. So if we now play test this, let's go to Clean Multiplayer Pro, scenes, menu, we save. So let's play test here. We put a name, we create a room, and as you can see, we are put into our new scene, which is the one we got off from the asset store. And if we click on switch scene, you can see we are now at nighttime, because we put it at the second place. So thank you for watching this tutorial. And if you'd like to know how to pick a custom spawn location so that your character doesn't spawn into the river, you can check out the other tutorial which I've done. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in this other tutorial.